What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna haul some skid steers. Also skid steers on the road. So we're just gonna go down here. Going pretty with too fast. Now it's turned all the way down here. We gotta take this first one to a house. I don't know why am I getting laggy. Yeah, we gotta take this to the house. Right here, the Gray Farm. Or the Gray Highway. Or highway, really. Or highway. Now let's go first. I'm going forward. I forgot. I didn't know it was like this. So let me just unload this. There we go. Right here. Put it in the shade. Okay. Now we gotta go deliver this to the greenhouse. Far from here. Alright. Turning all the way up here. Turning down here. Okay. Now we gotta turn the light down here. Alright. Right here. Over here. Greenhouse. So let's get this thing. Gonna put it in this safe. And it's gonna be late. So probably gonna be in the dark soon. Okay. Okay. Now we gotta turn all the way in. Now we gotta one left. Turn down here. Gonna go to this house. Straight and difficult for the trailer. Because that. Wait, no. I completely forgot with these houses. I remember this house before. Let's go right here. Okay, now let's go right here. Now let's go. Now it's time to leave. And here's the tricky part. How am I supposed to get out? Okay. Okay. Turn forward. Okay, that was pretty easy. I should have said that the first time. No. Let's go back. And let's go back. But if you guys had a fun time on this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
All the things that he brought me through.